Hello everyone, and we are excited for the hackathon that is organized by Browser Use, and we are here to showcase our solution that is a web test assistant which can be used in any corporate world, and it can find its use case in any project that uses manual automation, and we can automate it using the Browser Use. So let's get started. I have a dummy application that is based out of Python and the React is for the front end, and it is hosted locally on my system. And what we'll be trying to execute some use case. For example, we are taking GitHub as our website which we want to test, and we are saying that these are the test steps that we want to execute, and these are the expected result for each test. So we are saying navigate to the website, and the expectation should be repository main page should be visible and all the things that we see over there. And second step is click on the code tab, and then expectation is you should see some files and folders, and we should be able to read the readme content. And on the issues tab we should be able to see if there are no issues or any new issues we want to create. And lastly, we'll be clicking on the branches or tags link, which is under the repository header, and I just removed this. All right, so let me start with executing the test case, and when I click on this, it will be calling my Python code and it will be launching a browser for us. And I'm switching to it. So now it should open my public repository and it should do all the operations that is going there. Now, perfect. And now it is trying to go to the code. Perfect, it's there. And now it needs to validate all the files and folder which are present over here. And it clicked on readme, and that's what we suggested. And now it is validating that readme is having any content. Now the next part is going to issues, and it will see whether no issues or any issues are present over there. Alright, it is able to navigate to all the steps like we said, and then after completing all the steps it should say we are good to go and test case completed with all the test logs. Yeah, perfect. So what we can see, our website worked good and test case is completed in green. It means it is successful and no failures are found. And if we want to see any failures, we can go inside and see the logs. And this is the final result that we got. I have completed all the steps. It has navigated to the repository and what steps we have did. This is a description of what it has done. So it is replacing all the testing need of any testers and the framework that we are using for the testing, like Selenium, Playwright, and it can automate the whole task. We can execute that anywhere on the Git as a GitHub action, or using browser use cloud version. We can do means without any manual intervention at all, and it can run a test suite, let's say 500 test cases or 1000 test cases in no time with the parallel execution as well. We can make it a part of a container, and then each container will run its individual instance for each test, and it will according to all the operations. So in this way we don't need to invest time on maintaining the testing team and the testing framework, and it can save a lot of dollars for the companies. All right, that's all from my side. Any questions we have, please feel free to comment in the comment section, and thank you so much. Have a nice day.